I did it. I bought one of the most viral products on TikTok, and that is Miss PLouise. Like, the girls have been hyping her up. I mean, first off, can we talk about this packaging? Cute. Oh my days. Are you kidding? We had the mojito. I was kind of expecting it to be a little bit more watery because it's supposed to be an oil, but this is actually quite thick, like a gloss. It's giving aroma. Serious? I can't with this packaging. So this is strawberries and cream. Oh my days. Are you kidding? This is like the best dessert you've ever had, like the best lollipop you've ever had. Wow. So let's try the pineapple, guys. Do you know, I'm surprised how thick. Oh wow. Oh, that is giving ice lolly. That is giving pineapple ice lolly. Wow. Oh, these are so nice. These are honestly amazing value. They are a lot thicker. I thought that this was going to be more of a lip oil consistency, but it's giving much more lip gloss. And this is actually giving the consistency of the oil that I thought it was going to give. I actually think it's not hype. I actually think it's worth it. And I am honestly a sucker for cute packaging, for sure.